Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota GR Supra and this is by Siku. And so I bought it for somewhere around like 23 or 20 ringgits. I don't remember exactly. So this one has movable part as well, or opening parts, however you want to say. Okay. Okay, just closing the hood as of now. Let me just put this aside. Okay. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, man, this casting looks absolutely awesome. So it has a little bit of paint overflow here, nothing much serious to be honest. The paint job is okay. It has a paint bubble here. You can see in the hood. So overall, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous, and it has headlight details here. The logo placement is really nice. So it doesn't have any grill detail here. Okay. So it has tail light details, and they made it look like acrylic, but it is actually paint. For the tail lights. So it has the logo placement and the GR logo here. Everything is really nice. The Toyota logo is really nice. So okay, looks like I need to start using gloves again, it seems. Okay, let me see how that goes. Okay, so the chassis is plastic, the body is fully metal, end to end everything is metal. So it has a little bit of chassis detailing along with you know the car specifications here, which is really nice. So the tires are rubber. So it has openable hood here. So let's open it. Okay. Oh, that is actually really nice. It has engine detailing, and that is really perfect. So you can see the Toyota logo itself there, and that is awesome, man. That is awesome. Okay, so it has really nice interior detailing to it. I don't see any scratches on the windshield. Actually, this one is my fingerprint, so that is not a scratch. So it has good interior detailing to it, which is really nice. So it feels a little bit heavy, maybe around 38 grams, 38, 38 to 40 grams, I guess. Let's see. Okay, 50 grams. That is totally unexpected. Okay, it exceeded my expectations. Okay, so the casting is absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if this fits the track. No, it exactly fits the track, so which means we can't roll this here. So let's do this. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a little bit. Actually, the rear wheel wobbles a lot. The front wheel wobbles a little bit. But honestly, I'm not going to play with it, but that is really a beautiful casting. I really love the engine detailing on this one. So one more time, I'm just showing it to you guys. So that is absolutely gorgeous. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.